guys, welcome to another video. Apologies for the lack of content. I have explained in a previous video that I'm not very well. I have been diagnosed with cancer, so the videos are kind of sporadic in terms of when I'm feeling well enough to film something or get it up. So firstly, this is an unboxing for New Craft Day. I've worked with them and done several unboxings for them before. I just want to apologise because I've had this a few weeks and I've just not been well enough to be able to film an unboxing video. So I'm here today. I'm going to show you what I've got. I think some things may now kind of be past the season. However, I'm wanting to build things up ready for next year as well. So I've got a couple of things in here that are ready for Christmas next year, dare I say it, and a couple of other well, one's sport related and one is something else related. So I'll show you because I got one for my dad and one for my husband, who I've roped into diamond painting. So first of all, let's have a look at the boxed one. Now, I have had a sneak peek. And it's quite funny, actually, because I picked this. No, I didn't pick this. I got this from another company as part of a mystery package. And it's quite funny because, obviously, I picked it myself anyway from New Craft Day. So my husband's already completed this one. So I'll tell you what, let me show you it completed. Okay, so this is probably the only time in a video that I'm ever going to be able to show you in an unboxing the original item and then also the finished item. So here is the original and then here is the finished, and it looks amazing. I love how this came out. We've actually got this up in our living room as a Christmas decoration. Before it gets put away, we are going to seal it just to make sure that come next Christmas these gems don't get knocked off and destroyed. So yeah, quite hilarious that I've really received this in a mystery package, but I'm going to donate this on to my dad. So I'm hoping that my dad can do this one ready for next Christmas. The drills that you get in here, they're all specials, I think, or at least they're all crystals, and there are some specials as well. So I'll show you what you get in here. You can see them on the finished product anyway. You get your standard tray, pen and wax. You get your base to pop it in, and it's a nice thick acrylic as well, so no bending. And you just peel off the protector. Oh, I think this one's cracked. Is that cracked? Yeah, I think that acrylic is actually cracked there. That was probably going to have been done in posting, but although it was in a box, so I'm not overly sure. But you can't actually see it from the front. I think it's just cracked from the back, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem, to be honest. Yeah, you just peel off the plastic protector, and also there is a protector on the perspex on the bottom bit as well. And then here are the drills. So you get some yellow crystal, red crystal. Well, kind of those are kind of like a yellowy orange, and then a proper yellow crystal. Another red one, which seems to be a slightly darker version, a green, a blue, like a sky blue, a mid blue, and then you've got pink faceted larger rounds. Then we've got some marquee in amber, some larger faceted amber rounds. Then there are some teardrop that look like they've got an AB coating on as well, in kind of like a pinky red. And then this one here, we've got 3 of those round Rudolph noses is what I call them. So those are the gems that come with this, and they're really pretty. As I said, you know, this is the completed one, and I love the effect of that finished. So I will leave these linked down below for you. Now, some of these products, they can be very popular, and so if they are out of stock, they will not be linked down below, because unless it says that they will be restocked, if it's not on the website anymore, then I won't link the products. As far as I'm aware, these are all in stock currently. So we have the fun Christmas tree, so that is going to be given to my dad, ready to do for next to Christmas for him. Then let's have a look at these diamond paintings. So this one here is a partial, and this one here is just a bit of fun. Look, we've got a little Mickey head. It's a partial, so we've got a fully white background here, and then we've just got this Mickey wreath. The size of it is odd, because this is a 30 by 40, but normally you get to see these in a 30 by 40 rather than, sorry, 30 by 30. But this one is actually slightly longer, which is nice because it means that the shape can maintain its proportions. So yeah, we have this fun one, and I will save this for next Christmas for sure. It won't take that long because it's a partial, so I could do it for this year, but Christmas has now been and gone, and so I'll probably save it for next year. But we've got the standard tray, pen and wax there, and then let's just take a look at the drills on this as well. Oh, I keep getting that sticky bit come off the drills. Okay, so in the drills we have, for this one, we have some standard silver, or clear, should I say. And then we've got some red, some darker red, some green. These look a little dusty. Now, from my understanding, sometimes the dust actually means that that is a powder that they put in to help with static. And I believe that is somewhat true, because I actually use this, which is an anti-static powder tool, for scrapbooking, and I rub it on things to take the static off when I'm doing stamping. And so yeah, a powder, this is basically baby powder, talcum powder, whatever you call it. This, I would imagine, if it's something like this that's used in the drills, that will definitely stop the static. You can see there's absolutely no static in there at all, so that wouldn't surprise me. But it does mean that these drills may actually need a clean before they're used. I'll see how clean they are when they come out of the pack, but generally that's what I understand this this kind of white residue that's in the pouches is to do with the static. So yeah, we've got a lighter green and a darker green, and then we've got like an olive green, turquoise, a pink, like an orangey, like a peach orange-ish. Then we've got an iridescent coated green marquee. And then we have an iridescent coated, or an AB coated peridot. Let's call it peridot. It's like that lighter green marquee. And then we've also got some of these big round red Rudolph noses. So those are going to be for the A's, I think. Looking at this, I love the fact that it's kind of Mickey heads throughout this wreath as well. So those should be fun. Those should be fun to include. So those are the drills. Those are the drills for this, and yeah, it'll be a fun, quick one. And I think, it all being well for next year, I think I should be in a better place to be able to get a few more of these projects done ahead of time for Christmas, instead of doing them, not doing them as an afterthought, but instead of having them hanging around. So then we've got this one here. This one I seem to have exploding out of the packet. Right, let's see what we've got here. So this one here, okay, this is the football one. So I am, my family are a family of football lovers. So what I do on these unboxings is I try and share some of the goodies with friends and family, so they get the enjoyment of diamond painting. This is how I got my friend into doing some diamond painting too, and she's got her friend and her sister into doing some diamond painting too. So it's spreading the love. But what I like to do is, there's no way in a million years I would be able to complete all of the kits that I get to choose, that I've chosen to be sent, and so I like to share them about with friends and family as much as I can. So I know that my dad loves football, and I thought, I'm going to get him this one. It's a 30 by 40, but it really isn't. So I can already see. So I'm trying not to burn myself with, I've got a candle on right next to me. So I'm trying to be sensible. Now I'm just trying to find my tape. Oh, here we go, my tape measure. I wondered what the actual drill area is, because these are this looks like it's got quite a big margin. So let's take a look, and this is 32.5. So we're losing about 7.5 centimeters. So these are a lot smaller, 22 3/4. These are a lot smaller than the 30 by 40. Although this one doesn't actually say 30 by 40 on it. This doesn't actually have a size stated. I would imagine it would say 30 by 40 on the website, because that's the canvas size. So yeah, it's just this kind of flaming football. So this one should be fun to do. I don't think it'll be very hard. So far, yeah, everything's been specials. This is rounds. These are the old style of 200 packs of drills, which are not my favourite. I haven't seen this. I haven't opened, I don't think, anything with the old style packs for quite a while, so that's a little bit of a surprise. Looking on here, we have got the legend left and right. However, there's no DMC codes on the canvas, but there is a printed sticker, not a printed sticker, there's a printed label, should I say, in here that actually has the DMC codes, I assume. 310, yeah, the DMC codes on here instead. This is actually quite handy to have this included, because you could run this through your Xyron, or if you've got some sticker paper, you can add sticker paper and make labels for your pots. So actually, I really encourage any company that makes diamond paintings to also include a printed legend as well, in order for us to be able to make the stickers for our pots as well. So that'll be really good. So anyway, yes, we've got this, and I'm sure my dad will enjoy doing this one. As I said, it is quite a bit smaller than 30 by 40 because of how wide that border is, but look at all those 310. I do not envy him getting all of those out of the packets and getting those kitted up. So let's pop all of this back in. Again, standard toolkit. So if you are a brand new diamond painter, then same as every other pack, every other kit, you generally get the toolkit to be able to get you started anyway. So that should get you off the ground and going. So yeah, I'll pass that on to my dad along with the tree. He's going to have the tree as well. So sharing the love over here. And then the final one that I picked out, this one is for my husband. So let's show you this one first of all. This one is just a bit of fun for him. Let me see what it is. It's a tractor. So I'm not sure how well this is going to come out. I think there's quite a bit of detail in this. So we will see. But I picked this one for him for a few reasons. I would have got a bigger one if one was available, but I think this one was only available in this size, or that's all they had in stock. So I actually picked a square drill for him for this one, because he's never done a square drill before. So I want to get his feedback on doing square drills. The reason I picked him a tractor is because he likes to play a game on the Xbox called Farming Simulator, and he plays that with his friend. And he's, obsessed now with tractors. We'll drive past a tractor and he'll go, oh, that's a so-and-so. So I got him a tractor diamond painting, again, standard toolkit. And I saw this one and I was like, do you know what? It's a nice small size. That's all he works on. He's not a prolific diamond painter. He'll go weeks and weeks, if not months, without doing anything. And then he'll spend an hour together with me where we'll sit and do a bit of diamond painting. We haven't done it in a while, just purely because I haven't really been well enough to go and sit in the dining room to paint with him. But I'm hoping that as things move forward for me, that we will be able to get the chance to sit and do a bit more diamond painting together. So let's have a little look at how big this one is. So 30 by 40, it's just under 35 by 25. So it's about that 5 centimetre drop that we expect on the 30 by 40s, the canvas size as opposed to the diamond painting area. And then, yeah, here are the drills. So as I said, this is a square. Now, it is unusual to get a square in a 30 by 40. I found most 30 by 40s do come in round. I'm hoping that with it being a square that there will be a little bit more definition, because the squares are obviously slightly smaller. So let's show you the drills for this one. There are 22 colours. So we have, naturally, we're going to have some greens in there. Then we've got some like skin colour. Which was skin colour? Taupe, beige, whatever you want to call it. We've got some olive, some brown, darker brown, some blue. And then we have some off creamy colour. I wouldn't call that off-white, it's more cream. Greens, browns, sage, more browns, some grey in there. Always grey. Green, black, standard 310. 2 bags of those, which is handy because I actually need 310 in square. So anything that he's got left over will be gratefully received from me. There's some purple in here as well. I'm not sure where the purple's going, but there is. And then we've got some more kind of browns and a yellow, which I think is going in the tyres, and also kind of up here into the sky. And then also that kind of taupe colour. So yeah, I think that he'll have a lot of fun doing this one. He's very particular with what paintings that he will and won't do. He doesn't mind the budget ones. He's not so into the premium ones, to be honest. So he's quite happy to have something like a tractor to paint. Or he loves Star Wars. So goodness me, if any of the premium ones come out with a big Star Wars one, then he'll be all over it. But he's quite happy to do the budget ones with what they've got available. So I keep my eyes peeled for him. And things like this, a tractor, I've never seen this anywhere else. So I grabbed this for him from New Craft Day. So those are the bits and bobs that I got on today's unboxing. So thank you very much to New Craft Day for sending me these bits. I'm sure my dad will enjoy the football and also the tree. And my husband, I'm sure, will enjoy painting up this tractor. And when he's done this, perhaps I can do a little share and show you the finished project on maybe another future unboxing. And then I most certainly will enjoy doing this partial Mickey wreath head, but probably next Christmas, I would imagine. So yeah, thank you so much, New Craft Day. Thank you so much for the patience for waiting for me to get this video out, for sure. And I will, don't forget guys, if you're interested in any of these products or to take a look at their special offers, because there's always special offers running. I know that they've just had a promotion end and I didn't get a chance to actually film this video in time, but they've always got new promotions on. So please go ahead and click that link down below, which will take you to their website, and have a look at what offers they've got on when you've seen this video. And if there's any special discount codes, then again, I'll drop those in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you so much for your patience of bearing with me whilst I continue to get through this process of, getting some videos together as and when I can, and getting them up and shared with you guys when I'm able to. So yes, if you've enjoyed today's unboxing, or if you just want to wish me well, hit that thumbs up button. That's all I need from you guys to know that you're there with me. And drop me any comments in the comments section down below. I will be going back through the comments and trying to catch up with them as much as possible. So yeah, look out for responses and that sort of thing. And I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye for now.